Hey, food enthusiasts! Do you find yourself staring at an empty fridge wondering what to make for dinner? Or worse, scrolling through endless takeout menus? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you, EveryPlate. And guess what? You can get a special discount by clicking the link in the description below. Now, let me tell you why EveryPlate is America's best value meal kit. First off, EveryPlate offers meals starting at just $1.99 per serving. Yep, you heard that right. For less than the price of a coffee, you can enjoy a full meal. On average, you'll only spend around $5.99 per serving, which is a steal compared to competitors like Blue Apron or Purple Carrot. But EveryPlate isn't just about saving money, it's about saving time too. Each meal comes with pre-portioned ingredients and super easy-to-follow recipes. You can whip up a delicious dinner in under 30 minutes. So, whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling a million things, or a student on a budget, EveryPlate has got you covered. And hey, don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some honest reviews. Customers rave about the affordability and convenience of EveryPlate. They love how easy it is to cook tasty meals without breaking the bank. Sure, some mention that the portions are a bit smaller, but honestly, for the price, it's hard to complain. Let's talk variety. EveryPlate may not cater to specialized diets like keto or paleo, but they do offer some great vegetarian and calorie-smart options. Plus, the menu changes weekly, so you'll never get bored. Now, if you're still not convinced, let's do a quick taste test challenge. Imagine trying a meal from EveryPlate and comparing it to a more expensive competitor. Spoiler alert. EveryPlate often comes out on top in terms of taste and value. Who knew saving money could taste so good? Alright, it's time for some life hacks. EveryPlate isn't just for dinner. You can use these meal kits for meal prepping your lunches or even quick solo dinners. The pre-portioned ingredients make it super easy to customize and add your own twist. Talk about versatility. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your special discount and start enjoying tasty, budget-friendly meals with EveryPlate. Trust me, your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome food content. See you next time. Click the link below for your special discount.